Hey, hello again, year one. Good morning. I hope you're all doing well. Hope you had a nice sleep last night. So today, back to our Handa surprise retelling. We're going to be writing our own version. Yesterday and the day before that, you spent 2 days getting to know the story really well. I'm sure you all know it quite well by now. I'm going to read you a different version I found of the story online, and then we're going to start planning our version, which we're going to write tomorrow. Okay, so this version, instead of Handa's surprise, it's called Sophie's surprise. Sophie put 7 delicious fruits in a basket for her friend Dan. He will be surprised, thought Sophie as she set off for Dan's house. I wonder which fruit he'll like best. Will he like the black, juicy blackberries? Or the sweet, red and sweet strawberries? Will he like the red, crunchy apple? Or the round, juicy pear? Will he like sour raspberries? The purple plums? Or the nice, juicy tomato? Which fruit will Dan like best? There's Dan. Hello, Dan, said Sophie. I've brought you a surprise. Cherries, said Dan, my favourite fruit. Cherries, said Sophie. Now that is a surprise. So as you can see there, they have written their own version. If we scroll back, they have chosen different fruit than Handa had in her basket. So she had some raspberries, and they've used lots of describing words for these. So let's actually go to the start. So she's got a red, crunchy apple. So we've got some describing words. The apple's been described as red and crunchy. We have some red and sweet strawberries. We have some black, juicy blackberries. And they have other ones too. Now what I want you to do is, you're going to start planning what fruit and vegetables, or one or the other. You can choose fruit, vegetables, or both, what you're going to put in your story, and you're going to describe them today on this page. Now, before I show you the page you're going to be writing it on, you have here, I've got, to help you with ideas, I've got a list of vegetables, a vegetable word mat, which might give you some ideas, and I also have some describing words, some adjectives on a mat to give you some words, some adventurous describing words you could use to describe different fruit and vegetables. Some of these you already use, but there's some new words there that you can learn. And if you're not sure the meaning of them, you can ask mum or dad, okay? But let's get to it, okay? So you're going to have boxes like this. You're going to have a column on the left and a column on the right. The column on the left has 6 boxes going down, and each box is for you to draw either a fruit or a vegetable, one in each box, okay? Then it says here, adjectives, describing words for your chosen fruit or vegetable. So once you've drawn your picture, I want you to write some words to describe it beside that, okay, that you're going to use in your story tomorrow. So I have gathered some fruit and vegetables, some vegetables from around my house, which I'm going to describe now on the video. And then you can maybe do the same, because it's always easier, isn't it, when you can actually hold things and look at them and maybe even describe how they feel. So I have here, what do I have? Shout out at home. I can hear you all shouting out at home. Yes, I have a red pepper. So I've already said my first describing word there. So I would draw a picture of my pepper here, and then I'm going to say that it is red, because it's in the name, isn't it? So we have a little picture of it here and little words to describe it. So it's red. What does it taste like? Well, I would say it's probably sweet. The red ones usually are, aren't they? And when you bite into them, maybe a bit crunchy. And I think if I bit into this right now, lots of juice would come out. So I would say it's juicy pepper as well, okay? So look, there's 4 describing words. Now I might not use all of them tomorrow when I write my story, but that's 4 that I could use, okay? So I'm gonna rub those ones out, and let's see what else I have. So I have a bag of garden peas, just straight from the freezer. So I'm actually going to put that word in, garden peas. That's a type of describing word because they're not just any peas, they're garden peas. I could say, what colour are they? They are green. They are tiny. They are round or spherical, like a sphere shape. They are minuscule because they're tiny. That's another word, minuscule. It means tiny. Okay, I can think of some more. Okay, let's see what else I have. Don't want to keep you here all day, guys, because you've got busy jobs to get on with. Okay, I have a carrot. I might say it's an orange carrot. Looks like it isn't very clean. It's a muddy carrot. It's a dirty carrot. It's long. It's thin. It's rough. It's hard. I have a tomato. Juicy red tomato. Might use some other words for red. Scarlet. Can you think of any other words that mean red or any other versions of red? I have some celery. So it feels quite rough. It feels bumpy. It's long. It's thin. It's nutritious. It's healthy. Lots of describing words you could think of. Okay, so that's what you have to do, guys. You've got 6 boxes, so you need to think of 6 different fruit or vegetables or a mix of both for your story. Okay, so good luck. Maybe go for a little hunt around your house, see what you can find. Okay, good luck. Bye bye.